Alright everyone, we're going to do an oil change on my 2013 Yamaha vstar 250cc. Okay, so this time I'm going to change the oil filter, but I'll show you where. Oh, I think I meant to get an extension out. Damn it, where's that bolt? Okay, that bolt right there. I don't know if you can see that, people. This baby is oil. Oh yeah, I gotta check how much I gotta put in. I forgot. So we're gonna change. We're gonna drain the oil, and I gotta clean the chain on this. I gotta do a lot of work on this. So I think I'm gonna need my extension. Ooh, there's an extension in here. I don't know if these are gonna be. Ooh, that's a big one. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get out my. Yeah, that's way bigger than a 5/8. So we're gonna have to whip out. I keep forgetting these sets have Allen wrenches too. I brought out another. Okay, if I can find my other toolkit I'm looking for. Where did I put it? That's not it. Man, I know I put it somewhere. I'll try here. Okay, we're gonna have to get out a bigger toolkit, people. I forget these tool sets have Allen wrenches, so I got out my other Allen wrenches that I might not need. I might need an extension. And this one don't have an extension in it. And I'm missing the wrench over here too. I must have it in something I'm using. I wonder if this is. That was 5/8. Then what size was this? That's 11/16. This feels like, yeah, I don't think it's the millimeter one, so this one will do. And damn, I forgot what goes right here. But yeah, I must have that. I think I know where those missing things are in there. They're in my. This one has an extension, no? They're in my toolbox on other stuff I was working with. So have yourself an oil pan or or you can just cut like a plastic thing and put it in here, under here. I used that too before. This oil pan is good. So you just, now you want to heat your bike up, it says, if I recall right, so all the oil will come out easier. When oil is warm, it flows out easier, but it's not, it's not that big a deal if you don't start it. I mean, if you can't start it up, oh, I think I gotta go lefty, loosey. Okay, wait, maybe that's tidy. Okay, maybe this is left. Man. So righty tighty, lefty loose. Okay, yeah, I think this is loose. I'm just gonna have to muscle this baby. There we go. That was loose. You don't want to break these bolts, so people. Okay. Now, we don't want. I mean, if the bolt goes flying in here, oh well. But if you can keep from doing that, you know, get it loose and unscrew your hand, and then pull the bolt out, or it's gonna fall in all this oil. Ooh, I better scoot it over here. I'm at my storage shed place. Now, so I don't want to get oil on the ground. I gotta look at my phone and see what. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the filter too. On mine it says change the filter every other time, I think. But I only went maybe 600-700 miles, so I probably don't even really need to change it. I'm gonna go ahead and change it though. I didn't change it last time, but I changed it the time before this, I think. I don't remember. I'm just gonna change it. But I buy that's air filter. I gotta clean air. I always buy a couple of these. So now I got one. I got one left. And when I use this one, I'll buy another one. So I got some left. I use TW40 semi-synthetic. So since this is synthetic oil, I probably don't gotta change it. I might be able to wait longer because I'm supposed to change, I think, every 6 months or every like 3,000 or 4,000 miles. But I don't even go, I haven't yet, 3,000 miles in 6 months. This is what I got left over from last time. These are my 2 good ones. So I guess I can just carry this whole thing over there. I'm gonna clean the air filter, the chain. I gotta do more maintenance on my motorcycle too. And I like to do this to measure my oil. I have to wipe that out. So I get the exact in there. I gotta see how much I need. I have to get into my phone. I write everything in a Word document. So, motorcycle maintenance to do. I gotta be doing some more maintenance on this. I've been studying and writing it down. So let's see, oil. Okay, with oil filter element replacement, 160 liters, 1 quart. 1 quart and 60 liters. So it's gonna take one of these, and then I gotta look up. I'm gonna use the rest of mine that's opened, and I might have to open that other one, but I gotta see how many ounces of oil. What is 60? I gotta write this out here. So this is 1.41 of a quart, so 0.41 of a quart. So I gotta use one of these, 1 US quart. And then what is What the hell is 1.69 US quart? But whatever. Okay, and then if you don't replace the oil filter, it'll be 1.40 L. So it'll be 1 quart and 40 liters. But since I'm replacing that oil filter, I gotta write this on. How much is so that'll be 0.6 liters, 2 ounces is this. So I need, oops. Just come on, man. This thing doesn't, okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and write this in here, so. And hopefully I don't have a bunch of others. Okay, so